Acción.
No, you have to talk in English because we are in America now.
Okay.
So again,
Action.
action. Okay. Okay. Welcome again to the second part of the second episode. I'm sorry about my English again. Of the La Cocina de Marsella. Okay, everybody, we already finished. Now it's time to eat. Carlos, you wanna try? Look. Maybe it doesn't look good, but it tastes good. Yeah, it is. It's perfect. Not too spicy. No, perfect. You can eat it with some chips, and you have your dinner quickly. You see? That's it. Carlos, why we don't have enough people watching the show? You told me that it's gonna be a lot.
Mommy, it's because of your boyfriend that I can't get on the internet while he's around, and I have to go on the internet to invite people.
How long is gonna take?
I don't know, Mommy. It takes time. But don't worry, I promise it's gonna go well.
I hope so. Cool. Bye, everybody.